Another day starts at the garage. Derek eases his way in with a few light phone calls.
Well, it's really difficult without seeing it because it's the finer points, you know, how good the paint job is, what the finish is like and all that sort of thing.
When we're thinking about what to restore next, we can't allow ourselves to get distracted by all the really nice stuff. These are the sort of things we need to be looking out for.
You can get lots of parts for these. It does want a lot of parts. It is fairly rotten in places.
MGB, why would you, is the question, isn't it? Let's be honest.
It's never an easy decision, but our luck is in. Derek's chatting to someone who has 3 decent Fords to collect.
Yep.
And one of them is a Capri.